Well, after what, 3-4 days, I finally got the car looking like this. Now I don't know if this is a good thing or bad thing. But mostly it's metal. Straight to. Some little, I gotta get that too, but yeah. A lot of little stuff. A lot of little body work. Hopefully I can get this all the way down. It ain't in metal, but it's mostly metal. Down too, I mean, for the most part. For the most part. In most places. That's it for the day for me. I'm gonna try to go do something on this little Saturday night.